As we center ourselves today, let your gaze fall upon the serene beauty of these black tourmaline crystals. Their deep, rich color speaks of a hidden depth, a powerful energy waiting to be unlocked. Today, we're exploring the profound benefits of one of the most powerful protective stones in the crystal world, black tourmaline. For centuries, it has been revered for its ability to shield, to ground, and to illuminate our path towards wisdom and inner peace. Black tourmaline is often referred to as a guardian stone, and for good reason. Just as a loving parent protects their child, black tourmaline creates a shield around us, deflecting negativity and harm. In a world that can sometimes feel overwhelming, this stone stands as a steadfast protector, allowing us to move through life with greater confidence and peace of mind. And it's not just negativity from others that black tourmaline guards against. It also shields us from the invisible forces of electromagnetic radiation emitted from our electronic devices. In today's digital age, this protection is more vital than ever. Think of black tourmaline as a sort of energetic sponge, absorbing all those dense, heavy energies that can cling to our auras and deplete our vitality. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your spirit, allowing you to walk with purpose and grace, free from the weight of negativity. Whether you're navigating a challenging environment or simply seeking a sense of inner security, black tourmaline offers a comforting presence, reminding you that you are safe, you are protected, and you are divinely guided. And the beauty of black tourmaline is that its protection is not passive. It actively transforms negative energy into a positive, life-affirming force. Imagine a powerful wave crashing upon a breakwater. The breakwater doesn't just stop the wave, it redirects its energy, transforming its destructive potential into a gentle ebb and flow. That's what black tourmaline does for our spirit. It transmutes darkness into light, allowing us to not just survive, but to truly thrive. Now, many of you know that I believe in the power of feeling grounded, of being connected to the Earth's energy. It's about feeling centered, balanced, and present in our bodies. And that's where black tourmaline's connection to the root chakra comes in. This chakra, located at the base of our spine, is our energy center for stability, security, and our connection to the physical world. When our root chakra is balanced, we feel safe, secure, and grounded in our being. We're able to withstand life's storms with resilience and grace. Black tourmaline, with its deep connection to the earth, acts as a powerful root chakra activator, strengthening our foundation and anchoring us to our center. It's like sending roots deep into the earth, drawing upon its unwavering strength and stability. So, if you're feeling scattered, anxious, or disconnected, black tourmaline can help you reconnect to your center, reminding you of your inherent strength and resilience. It's a stone that reminds us that even amidst chaos, we can find our footing, stand tall, and face whatever challenges come our way. For those of you seeking deeper self-awareness, black tourmaline is a powerful ally in meditation. Hold a piece of black tourmaline in your hand as you close your eyes, and feel its grounding energy drawing you deeper into a state of stillness. As you quiet your mind and turn your attention inward, black tourmaline acts as a protective barrier, shielding you from distractions and allowing you to access deeper levels of consciousness. In the stillness of meditation, black tourmaline can help us connect with our intuition, that inner wisdom that whispers truths we may not even realize we know. It's like having a wise, trusted friend guiding us toward our own inner compass. As we sit with black tourmaline, we may find that thoughts and emotions we've been holding on to begin to surface. This is a natural part of the healing process, as black tourmaline helps us to release what no longer serves us. Don't shy away from these feelings. Instead, observe them with compassion and allow them to pass through you. Now, I truly believe that the greatest journey we ever take is the journey inward. It's about looking within, acknowledging our shadows and our light, and embracing all parts of ourselves. And that's where black tourmaline can be a powerful catalyst for growth. It encourages us to be honest with ourselves, to face our fears and insecurities, and to step into our authentic power. Think of black tourmaline as a mirror to the soul. It reflects back to us our own inner landscape, revealing both our strengths and our areas for growth. This kind of honest self-reflection can be challenging at times, but it's through this process that we truly come to know ourselves. And as we release limiting beliefs and embrace our true selves, we open ourselves up to a life of greater purpose and fulfillment. Black tourmaline reminds us that we are not defined by our past mistakes or our perceived flaws. We are powerful, capable beings with the ability to create the life we desire. Beyond its protective qualities, black tourmaline is also a stone of wisdom and enlightenment. It helps to clear away mental clutter and negative thought patterns, allowing us to see things with greater clarity and understanding. Imagine your mind as a garden. Negative thoughts are like weeds choking out the beautiful flowers of positivity and hope. Black tourmaline acts as a gentle but effective weed killer, clearing away those limiting beliefs and making space for new, empowering thoughts to take root. It helps us to shift our perspective, to see challenges as opportunities for growth, and to approach life with greater optimism and resilience. This clarity of thought extends to our decision-making as well. When faced with a difficult choice, holding black tourmaline can help us to connect with our intuition and make decisions that are aligned with our highest good. It's like having a wise mentor by our side, guiding us toward the path that is meant for us. As we conclude our exploration of black tourmaline, I encourage you to embrace the protective and enlightening power of this remarkable stone in your daily life. Whether you wear it as jewelry, meditate with it, or simply keep it nearby, allow black tourmaline to be your steadfast companion on your journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Remember, you are deserving of protection, you are worthy of love, and you have the power within you to create a life filled with purpose and joy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more insightful content like this.